Rhino Linux 2026.1. A fresh take on Ubuntu with Lomiri Desktop and Linux 7.0. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the more interesting Ubuntu based distributions out there, Rhino Linux 2026.1. This rolling release distro just dropped its latest snapshot, and it brings some exciting changes, especially if you are curious about convergent desktops or want a fresh alternative to the usual Ubuntu flavors. Whether you are a long-time Linux user looking for something new or someone exploring rolling releases for the first time, Rhino Linux is worth paying attention to. Let's break down what's new in 2026.1. First, what is Rhino Linux? For those who haven't heard of it yet, Rhino Linux is an Ubuntu based distribution that takes a different approach from standard Ubuntu releases. Instead of tying itself to LTS or interim versions, it pulls from Ubuntu's development branch to deliver a true rolling release experience. At its core, it features a customized XFCE desktop called Unicorn. It's clean, lightweight, and productive. But what really sets it apart is Pacstall. It's powerful AUR inspired package manager. Pacstall makes it easy to install the latest software that isn't always available in Ubuntu's official repositories, while keeping the stable foundation of Ubuntu underneath. It's available for x86 64, ARM64, and single board computers like Raspberry Pi and Pine 64 devices, making it quite versatile. Now, about the big highlight, which is Lomiri Edition. The standout feature in Rhino Linux 2026.1 is the new Lomiri Desktop Edition. Lomiri, developed by the UB Ports Foundation, is the convergent interface originally created for Ubuntu Touch. It's designed to work beautifully across phones, tablets, and desktops, adapting to your hardware. While Lomiri support on regular PCs is still evolving, Rhino Linux has worked closely with the UB Ports team to bring official generic ISO images for both x86 64 and ARM64 systems. This means you can now try this mobile inspired, touch friendly yet fully functional desktop environment on your laptop or desktop computer. If you have ever wanted to experience something closer to Ubuntu Touch on a regular machine, this is one of the best ways to do it right now. The Rhino team has emphasized they are committed to improving the experience further in collaboration with UB Ports. Now, about the under the hood, which is Linux Kernel 7.0 and more. Rhino Linux 2026.1 ships with the updated kernels tailored to different hardware. Generic x86 64 and AR64 ISOs. It has Linux 7.0.9 kernel. Raspberry Pi images. It has Linux 7.0. PinePhone, PinePhone Pro, and PineTab. It has Linux 6.18.32 LTS. And finally, the PineTab 2. It has Linux 6.9. These updates brings better hardware support, performance improvements, and security enhancements across the board. Now, Pacstall gets a major update. Pacstall, the heart of Rhino Linux package ecosystem, has been bumped to the 6.4.x series. New features include dnum or dnum and cdnum internal variables. New environment variables for better debugging, Pacstall xtrace ft and Pacstall xtraced ftlog. Support for exporting KVER to pre and post install scripts, along with bug fixes and cleanups. These changes make Pacstall even more powerful and developer friendly. Now, about the installation and updating. Downloading the new ISO is straightforward from the official Rhino Linux website. There are live installable images for generic machines as well as device specific ones. However, because Rhino Linux is a rolling release distribution, existing users don't need to reinstall. A simple sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade or using Pacstall will bring your system up to date. Now, who should try Rhino Linux 2026.1? Ubuntu fans who want a rolling release model without losing Debian or Ubuntu compatibility. Users interested in trying Lomiri and convergent computing. People with ARM64 or single board devices looking for good support. Or anyone who appreciates a solid, customized XFCE experience with easy access to bleeding edge software via Pacstall. It's not trying to be the flashiest distro on the block, but it feels focused, practical, and genuinely useful. Now, finally, the conclusion. Rhino Linux 2026.1 shows steady progress, particularly with the addition of Lomiri on desktop hardware. It's a smart evolution for a distribution that's quietly building a strong reputation in the Ubuntu based rolling release space. If you have tried Rhino Linux before, or if you are planning to test the new Lomiri edition, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it performs for you. Make sure to like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more Linux distribution coverage. And hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious and happy computing.